It's time for the Beaver Awards. Wildfire runs on volunteerism. That's how we operate. That's how we make this all happen. And you've done an incredible job this weekend, and I applaud you for it. Give yourselves a round of applause. I just want to call it out. So let's clap if you volunteered for a shift this weekend. Clap if you volunteered for a shift you weren't even required for. You didn't sign up for it. How many of you volunteered for 2 shifts? 3 shifts. Clap if you taught a class this weekend. Clap if you taught 2 classes. Anybody teach 3 classes? That's really awesome. Now, the Beaver Awards are given out to a few select people who over the weekend went above and beyond when it comes to volunteerism. It's an opportunity to give a little bit back, but funny enough, not a lot of people know where the story started, why it's called the Beaver Awards. So I went to Wikipedia, where we all go, and I'm going to tell you where the name came from. You want to know where the name came from? How about you? Wikipedia. Back in 2008, Scooter Braun was surfing YouTube when he came across a teenager from Canada posting videos of himself singing popular songs. This was Justin Bieber. Beaver was quickly flown off to Atlanta to meet with... Beaver? That's not Beaver. Seriously? What do we do when someone messes up and recovers? Okay. Let's try this again. It's time for the Beaver Awards. Story of the Beaver Awards, I'm going to need your help. So, do you think you can do that? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use a tool that has helped religion and mythology and hieroglyphics tell stories with incredible clarity. Madness. All right. I need a boy's name. Chad. Ben. Location of Wildfire. Another location of Wildfire. Showers.
Chad's pants.
And now. It's going to work so well. Place in the world. Sexy. Another adjective. Nude. Wait, what are you saying? A plural noun. An exclamation.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. A crazy flow art. Whatever fire twerking is. A wildfire tradition. We already have chat. Wildfire tradition. Baby dance. All right, another activity. Hugging. A female name. Rainbow sparkle twirl. A part of the body. part of the body? Fleshy coverage? Is there going to be a class on that? Skill. What? A skill. What do they mean? Hanukkah? Stupid thing to do. Jelly. A large number, not 4 inches. A large number. 42. A bird.
A bird or a bird?
Fuck. An adjective. A crazy thing to do. Fire jousting. And a verb. Ass slap. I think we got a story. There once was a beaver named Ben, who lived hidden away in the dock. Throughout the year, he would frolic and play in the lake, in the woods, and the showers. But when Wildfire came around, he'd run and hide, for Ben the beaver was scared of Chad's pants. Normally, this wouldn't be a problem for beavers, but Ben was from Auschwitz. That's apparently a big thing there. So during each wildfire, Ben would hide away under the mess hall. Things got very meta at this point. But the MC continued the story, disregarding anything unusual or sexy about the current state of affairs. So that one late night when everyone was huddled together in the mess hall, watching the performance class, but really thinking about Chad nippling, the MC was taken by surprise when the beaver decided to Chad nipple. So this beaver, Ben, that smelled quite a bit like flaccid nipples. Scared as he was of the Wildfire crew, was welcomed to the family by a big round of cheers! And they all shouted, "Oh my God! Oh my God!" From that point on, the beaver was excited. He jumped for joy. He did crazy dance moves. He learned the amazing art of fire twerking. He even joined in for the pee-pee dance. I had a feeling we were going to call it. Beavers can go all night. They didn't have shut down at 1. So one late night when the beaver was hugging, out from the backstage came a female beaver by the name of Rainbow Sparkle Twirl. Then he quickly ran over and smelled Rainbow Sparkle Twirl's fleshy fun bridge. But when Ben started showing her his fellatio skills, this made her start dancing like it was Hanukkah. Then they jumped up and down. They started doing the butt. And they frolicked with each other. As the night grew late, they even jellied. Which they later regretted, because 9 months later, Rainbow Sparkle Twirl gave birth to 42 baby beavers. Here it comes. What are we going to do with all these beavers, she said. Ben said, well, we could fuck them. Well, that's a moist idea, Rainbow Sparkle. But you know what I was thinking we could do? Fire jousting, he suggested? No, not that, Rainbow Sparkle Troll replied. I was thinking we could give out a beaver to all the boys and girls at Wildfire who ass slap the most. Oh, that's a much better idea, Ben agreed. So the beavers went and told the organizers their idea after they learned how to speak English. The organizers thought long and hard. In the end, they agreed it was a much better idea than fucking them. And that's how we got the beavers.